Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here from TechFit360. Today on the channel, I have something that's perfect for those of you who do not have a rear view camera on your automobile. This is called the FinSense Smart Wireless Parking Sensor. It's very easy to install, it syncs with your iOS or Android device, and you can have this whole thing installed in just 10 minutes or less. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Special shout out to FinSense for sending this product out to me for review. Like I said, it's a wireless parking sensor. It connects directly to your phone. Reading straight off the box, FinSense turns the average license plate frame into an ultra simple smart parking sensor. If we flip over to the back of the box, you will find it lists the contents and specifications. What I want to point out here is that this license plate sensor will fit your standard 6x12-inch North American license plates. All right, let's quickly check out the features. We already pointed out that the device is wireless. Okay, you have a 5-month battery life or 5 months battery life. It installs in 5 minutes. I did say less than 10. Instant hand-free alerts, fast app auto launch. It works in extreme weather conditions and it has a 1-year warranty. I remember when I first received my license, man, do I wish I had something like this because my thing was parking. I had so much trouble when it came to parallel parking, just like everybody does pretty much. But this device right here would have made it a whole lot easier. So if you know somebody who's really struggling when it comes to parking, go ahead and buy this for them. Christmas is coming up, folks, so this would make the perfect gift. All right, so inside the box, the first thing we find is like some type of installation card. You can scan the QR code to download the app. It even shows you about the mounting procedure for the rear of your vehicle, and also it shows a picture of the application on your smartphone along with a tap that's on your steering wheel. The tap is the device that you can just press and it will automatically launch the application. Now the first thing I recommend doing is downloading the app, and you can download that at the Google Play Store or at the App Store for your iOS device. Now let's see, if we turn over this card, we will find the Smart Wireless Parking Sensor Installation Manual. And this looks like a very detailed manual. So just make sure you read over this thoroughly and it will guide you each step of the way to setting this device up. All right, so taking a quick look inside the box, you have a mount for your smartphone. You have the tap device that will automatically launch your application once you have it synced up with your phone. Here you have your security screws, 2 AA batteries, and you also have the installation tools. Okay, so we finally get to the FinSense Parking Assist plate frame. This frame is made of a very hard plastic. If you notice, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting holes. At the bottom, you'll find 2 sensors. You got one on your left side, one on your right side, and you can adjust them up and down. Also, the wireless parking sensor utilizes the Bluetooth 4.1 technology. All right, so now let's go ahead and install the batteries. You'll notice that there's a sticker at the bottom telling you that, hey, this is where you're going to put your registration tabs here, if your registration tabs sit at the bottom of your license plate. So let's go ahead and check out the battery install, and then we're going to sync this with our smartphone, do our installation, and give it a test run. Let's go. The battery compartment has 2 screws that you need to undo before you can install the batteries. Now, I was having a little bit of trouble with the installation tool set that came with the device, so I just went ahead and grabbed my own. FYI, these are custom security screws, and it's indicated by that little notch right in the center. So we have the lid removed from the battery compartment. I'm installing both AA batteries and going to seal everything up. And then we're going to proceed with syncing this device up with our smartphone. Oh yeah, and go ahead and peel off that sticker that tells you about the lower registration tabs. So once you finish installing the batteries, the license plate frame sensor automatically comes on. I mean, you're not going to see any indication, or at least I didn't, but it does come on. Now you need to go ahead and launch your app and create you a simple account with FinSense from your smartphone. It'll take you a minute or less. Now all you have to do is follow the prompts. It'll tell you exactly what to do. You see, you can either put the license plates on your front or your back vehicle, or you could even have them on both if you want to. All right, so just continue to follow the instructions. It's going to tell you about setting up a clearance from the edge of the license plates to the edge of your car. So you'll just go ahead and set that in your device as well. Now the app is going to search for your device, and once it finds it, just go ahead and tap on it. And there you have it. It's a picture of the vehicle with the sensor. Wait a minute, that went way too fast. Let me see if I can just go ahead and go back to that screen. There you go. You have a picture of a car with a visual of the sensors going off, depending on how close I am to the sensors on the license plate frame. So there you have it. Everything's all set up and it is communicating, as you see, with the license plate frame sensor. Oh, I almost forgot. If you look in the top right corner of the application, you will see the battery life of your parking sensor. It says in the instructions that it can last 5 months. You also get some programs in the application as well as some settings that you can go ahead and check out later. But now we're going to go ahead outside and install the license plate frame on my vehicle, and we're going to give it a quick test. Okay, I don't know about your vehicle, but my vehicle only has 2 mounting holes, and I'm not going to go to the trouble of drilling 2 more holes. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use some double-sided tape at the bottom just to keep the plate frame in place. Also, please make sure you use the security screws that comes with this device. You don't want someone coming along stealing your parking sensor frame plate from at the store or even in front of your house, because we know people are bold these days. So please make sure you use those screws. The plate frame is covering up the state on my license plates. So I don't know what the rules are or what the law is in the state that you live, but just make sure you stay compliant wherever you are. I don't know if I'm compliant right now. I might get pulled over when I take this for a test run. Now I always still look behind me when I'm backing up, but now, so I'm gonna put in reverse. Once I start getting too close to an item, you can see that I'm getting too close on my other side, right side, and it starts beeping. Let me know that I'm close on this side, and you'll hear the beep because I'm not lined up. So if I go forward, if I come straighter, and as I get close to this trash can behind me, you can't see it, but I can, then see, it's let me know how close. And right now I am very close to that. So I'm gonna pull away from it. And there you go. So if you'd like to pick up one of these FinSense smart wireless parking sensors, I'll leave my links in the description. It sells for $149.99, both at Amazon and at finsense.com. So whether your car is old or new, if you don't have some type of rear view camera or some type of rear sensor, then you need something like this. But don't put 100% of your trust in any device, whether it's a rear view camera or a sensor like this one right here. Always be mindful of your surroundings. Always take the extra effort to look behind you just in case. So what are your thoughts on a sensor like this one? Please be sure to leave those in the comment section below. Also, thank you so much for watching today. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me the thumbs up. Please make sure you connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And be sure to subscribe to the TechFit360 YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next video. God bless. When you